One day, a starving cat was wandering through a garden. It looked up and spotted a little bird perched on a tree branch. "Hey, little one, why don't you come down here? Let's play together. It'll be fun." "Thanks, Mr. Cat, but I'm happy right where I am."
The cat tried to persuade the bird, but the bird didn't fall for the trick. It knew the cat wasn't really looking to play. Why doesn't that little bird trust me? The cat didn't realize that its lack of honesty was plain to see.
The next day, it rained heavily. The cat had no shelter and sat cold and wet beneath the tree. "Why are you helping me, even after I tried to trick you?" "Because kindness is greater than fear."
Kindness and sincerity can turn even the coldest hearts into true friends.